KevG weather overview and recapping yesterday's severe weather. All those blue dots are where the Storm Prediction Center got a storm report. And a lot of these reports were around the tri-state area yesterday, whether it be hail or whether it be wind gusts that were pretty high, some tree damage in some places. So this was by far, for the tri-state area as a whole, yesterday was by far the biggest severe weather day of the year. When you look at the totality of what happened. So while we do have some threat of thunderstorms today, it's not going to be as widespread as yesterday. In fact, the National Weather Service has this graphic on their Twitter page this morning, and basically what this is showing is it's showing a time loop of a forecast model that they use, and it's showing the activity for today, and this is in response to the jet stream dipping to the south. And what basically it's showing is that showers and thunderstorms will gradually bubble up during the day as we get past 12 or 1 o'clock, but areas to the east of the Hudson River stand the best chance. In fact, if you believe the model, on its face, it would say that areas from New York City east are the ones that get the shower and thunderstorm activity. So that's the outlook for today. Once those storms go by, we're going to really dry things out as far as the humidity levels. I'm recording this right now at around 9:30 this morning on your Sunday, and the humidity values are still high. But what will happen is once those thunderstorms pass through, our winds will become gusty out of the northwest, and our humidity levels will drop precipitously from where they are now. Now, that's going to be short-lived, so I think Monday and Tuesday are the least humid days out of the week, and then we're going to get progressively more warm to humid. We really have a classic summer pattern here to open up July and going into the holiday weekend, a long holiday weekend for many. So as we look at the GFS model off of tropical tidbits, we take a look for Wednesday, and I don't think we have any real weather trouble after today. I think the next chance of rain is going to gradually increase as we go through the end of the week. In fact, Wednesday looks fine, and then by Thursday we have this front, and we have these disturbances that are going to ride along the front. Now, the cold front is not actually going to pass through. So what that means is that because of the configuration of the jet stream, we're basically going to be in an active pattern where showers and thunderstorms are going to bubble up daily, starting on Thursday. And this will continue into Friday. And then by Saturday, we'll have a more widespread shower and thunderstorm situation because the frontal passage will actually be making its way through instead of us just being on the edge of the westerly winds in the jet stream. And so once that goes by, we'll settle things down for a few days early next week. We're talking about the 8th of July. But I think the overall pattern is such where when we take a look at Weather Underground, it's really not that much of a washout or anything like that. This is a classic summer pattern. Heat and humidity gradually increase through the week, with showers and thunderstorms developing every day in spots for Thursday and Friday, and then more widespread storms, covering more geographical locations will happen on Saturday. That's the gist of it right now. Overall, if you're planning for the 4th of July, it looks like a hot and humid one with the heat indexes, the way it actually feels, probably being in the mid-90s with the high humidity. But I don't think thunderstorms will be canceling anybody's plans. I think if they do move through on the 4th of July, they'll be, quick-hitting storms and not much to worry about. And we'll take a look at this later on in the week. But for right now, expect a classic summer weather pattern to open up the month of July.